Okay, Sons of Decay 2 is Angst, Culture of Brutality. Angst, long-running crust grindcore outfit out of Berlin, is essentially one man, Tom Schmidt, who created the moniker back in 2012. Despite the fact that this is their fifth full-length album along with a slew of EPs, comps, and splits, I was completely unfamiliar with them. However, the quality of this riff-tastic 20-song, 34-minute entree was soon getting constant rotations in Snaggletooth land. We are talking super intense, stop-start, hardcore-infused grindcore, spiked with guitar harmonies. I mean, this sounds like the bastard child of Pig Destroyer and Night Fever, people. Schmidt's vocal weapon is a single-shade, blood-curdling scream that he employs ferociously in every song. As you can guess from song titles like Teeth into Flesh and Of Rusty Knives, this is pure, unadulterated disgustcore.
It'd be a techno shot. Take any song, really. Let us say Doing Your Part, which kicks off with masterfully hard pan riffing before skull-battering percussion charges in the front door as Schmidt screeches, working, working, working till you're fucking dead. Middle-class fantasies, slavery ain't that bad. Yeah, we have all been there from time to time.
Like every day.
Vitreous Conformity is another crusher, kicking off with a very Slayer-informed riffing, the perfect foil for Schmidt to enlighten us about a hedonist utopia. Fun for the whole family. Honestly, this is riff utopia for the ADHD generation. Absolutely caustic and thrilling. The one we are going to play for you now is the one that initially grabbed our attention earlier this month, Spanking Your Laser Brain. I absolutely defy you not to wag your head on that first breakdown about 15 seconds in. I defy you.
Yep.
At any rate, shame on me for sleeping on Angst up until this point, but you better believe I will be using the back catalog as an excuse to smash unwanted furniture.
Right. Okay, this is Spanking Your Laser Brain.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.